Now sometimes when you crochet a basket or something else, an amigurumi project, it can happen that you need to decrease with the basket. With this basket here, for example, I get the feeling that it might be a little bit too wide here. Like I don't want it to be, you know, having a bulk. So what we will do is we will do a decrease. There is two options. There's a regular single crochet decrease, and then there is the invisible single crochet decrease. To decrease a single crochet, you normally would start the next 2 stitches and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. This, first of all, it will be very bulky and it won't look like all the other stitches you performed. So let me show you how to do the invisible decrease single crochet. You will grab the front loop of your next stitch and the front loop of the one after that. Now this can be a bit tricky, but remember that your hook is a hook. So now you will go, whoops, under the second stitch after your current one, and now you have 2 front loops on your crocheting hook, and now you grab the yarn and pull it through, whoops, the 2 loops, and now you have only 2 strands on your hook, like with a regular single crochet. Don't mind this. I am currently working with 2 strands of yarn. That's why you are seeing 2 loops here. You have 1 loop and 2 loop on your crocheting hook. You yarn over and you pull through, and there you have your invisible decrease. Nice, skinny, and it looks like all the other stitches. Happy crocheting! See you in the next video. Bye bye!